Welcome to the Eagle-IoT dashboard tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the basic functions of the platform, navigating the interface, checking vehicle locations, generating history, and creating reports. Let's get started. Login page. To access the login page, visit the platform at go.eagle-iot.com. Each client will receive unique login credentials, including an email-based username and password. Remember, each user must have a valid, unique email address. After entering your credentials, click Login. Two-factor authentication. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. This is a critical security feature to protect your account. You can set this up with the Google Authenticator app, but for now, we'll skip this and proceed to the dashboard. Dashboard overview. Welcome to the dashboard. The platform is bilingual. You can switch between English and Arabic at any time. You can also adjust the text size or switch to full screen for better visibility. Searching and navigating. To quickly find specific modules or reports, simply use the search bar here. Enter the name of the application or module you need, and the results will appear instantly. Bookmarking important pages. For frequent tasks, you can bookmark pages or applications for easy access. These bookmarks will appear right here, allowing you to avoid navigating through multiple menus every time. Fleet dashboard. That's a brief overview of how to get started with the Eagle-IoT dashboard. Clustered fleet overview and zooming in or out. Your fleet is visualized on a map, organized into clusters based on geographic locations. For example, you may observe clusters with 2 vehicles in one area, 6 in another, and 1 in the eastern region. As you zoom in, these clusters expand, eventually displaying each asset individually. Clicking on any asset reveals detailed information such as vehicle name, plate number, address, speed, asset class, and ignition status. To return to a broader view, simply refresh the map to zoom out and see the entire fleet. You have the option to switch between map and satellite views. Map views and charts. On the right side of the screen, a chart displays the number of vehicles currently moving, idling, or stopped, along with a 24-hour movement history. This chart helps identify peak and non-peak hours, allowing for optimized workload distribution. Filters and asset status. Filters are essential for managing fleet status. For instance, if you see 26 assets, with 18 currently enabled, this indicates which assets are operational. Disabled assets may be inactive due to being scrapped, sold, or under maintenance. Communication statuses are also displayed. Vehicles that communicated within the last 3 hours, those that haven't in the last 24 hours, and those that never communicated. These tags offer a real-time snapshot of fleet connectivity. Asset list and status overview. The asset list includes all trackable items, such as trucks, cars, trailers, machines, excavators, crane scooters, light towers, and generators, etc. Each asset displays key details including status, active or inactive, vehicle name, plate number, driver information, and installed sensors, for example, temperature, humidity. Assets can be categorized into different categories and sites. This is particularly helpful for companies with multiple locations or projects. Each project can have its own set of vehicle categories. Each site can have multiple categories, and each category can contain various assets. The system includes a search feature that allows you to quickly find vehicles based on name, plate number, driver name, IMEI, driver identification, if driver identification and authorization systems are in place. The dashboard will indicate whether a driver is authorized, unauthorized, or if no driver is detected. This feature ensures that only authorized personnel operate your vehicles. Last communication and GPS data health. Check each vehicle's last communication and log data. If communication is active but GPS data appears outdated or invalid, then the vehicle's location may be incorrect and GPS device can be online. This tool is crucial for diagnosing potential GPS or hardware issues. Vehicle information and sensor data. Asset details, including WASL registration, IMEI number, battery voltage, sensor data, seatbelt status, and door status, contact number of driver, a button, or RFID are now displayed in a clear table for easy reference. If the vehicle is registered with WASL, it will appear in green color. Column Visibility Customization. To enhance user experience and efficiency, the system allows for customized column visibility. Users can choose to hide or display specific columns based on their individual preferences and needs. This ensures that only relevant information is presented, reducing clutter and improving clarity. Troubleshooting column visibility issues. If a user is unable to find a particular category or piece of data, it's recommended to check the column visibility settings. It's possible that the desired column has been unintentionally hidden. By reviewing and adjusting these settings, users can ensure that all necessary information is readily available. Data Export and Service Manual Module. For users who require a complete record of vehicle data, the system offers an Excel export function. This allows for the convenient downloading of all vehicle information, including current status. Service Manual Module Integration and Quick Overview of Operational Expenses (OPEX). The Service Manual module provides additional insights into vehicle maintenance and operations. Users can track invoices related to fuel, maintenance, and renewals. This data is valuable for assessing the operational expenses (OPEX) associated with the fleet. Operational expenses and driver performance. Additionally, driver performance is displayed with scores based on fleet policy, which is useful for monitoring and improving driver behavior. Asset-level details. Upon selecting a specific asset, users can access detailed information. This includes sensor data, vehicle status, and any additional parameters related to installed equipment, for example, CAN bus. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of the asset's current condition and performance. The user dashboard offers a comprehensive range of features. Users can upload photographs of both the vehicle and the current driver. The dashboard displays the current odometer value. Users can update this value if necessary to ensure accurate mileage tracking. Besides, this vehicle's image can be customized as per the user preference. Immobilization and Control. For vehicles equipped with immobilizers, you can remotely immobilize or mobilize them. This action requires entering your user password and sends a command directly to the device, ensuring prevention of unauthorized use. The system incorporates convenient shortcuts for navigating between modules. By clicking on specific icons or links, users can quickly access different sections of the platform. Use the pop-up icon to open this dashboard in a new window. Similarly, access the sensor page tracking page and the report generation page from the same asset. Utilization data and historical analysis. The utilization chart tracks vehicle usage based on distance traveled or other parameters, with data available from the last 12 months. Analyze trends and improve efficiency by viewing asset utilization for specific date ranges or using predefined filters like today or yesterday or the last 7 days, or can select the customized date range. Event and violation monitoring. The event log records all notifications and alerts generated by the devices, providing a real-time view of events. This includes unfiltered data from all connected assets. By selecting different vehicles, you can view specific event types associated with each asset. The violations log, color-coded for easy analysis, highlights incidents such as overspeeding, harsh braking, or cornering. The dashboard allows you to access historical data and analyze past events. This includes information on last ignition, last crash detection, and geofence crossings. Tracking multiple vehicles and multi-map view. The tracking page provides a comprehensive overview of your entire fleet. Vehicles are color-coded to indicate their status: green for moving, red for stopped, and blue for idling. These tags can be customized to reflect specific communication or project-related criteria. These tags are customizable and can be modified to reflect different communication states, for example, communicated, never communicated. Color coding and project identification. To enhance fleet management, the system allows for color-coded tagging based on projects. This enables easy identification of vehicles that may have been inadvertently assigned to the wrong project. Asset tracking and following. For specific asset tracking, users can enable the Follow Asset feature. This activates a trail on the map, providing real-time updates on the vehicle's location and movement. Follow individual vehicles in real time with a stable zoom level option to prevent automatic adjustments of the map view. Map customization and layers. In the settings menu, users can customize the map type and enable additional layers. The traffic layer provides real-time traffic information, while the weather layer displays current weather conditions and forecasts. These features enhance situational awareness and aid in route planning. Geofencing and location search. The map allows for the visualization and management of geofences. Users can view, create, and hide geofences to define specific boundaries. For location searches, users can input coordinates or search by name. Once a location is identified, premium users can utilize the Dispatch Nearest Vehicle feature. This advanced functionality identifies the closest available vehicle based on route and estimated arrival time. Multiple geofence creation and management. The platform supports the creation of multiple geofences. Users can define different geofences for various areas, such as warehouses, restricted zones, or speed zones. Each geofence can have unique settings and restrictions. This concludes our tutorial to provide a comprehensive overview of the fleet management platform's capabilities. By leveraging the platform's features, users can effectively track, manage, and optimize their fleets. From vehicle tracking and geofencing to data analysis and reporting, the platform empowers businesses to make informed decisions and enhance operational efficiency. Route planning and sharing. After selecting a vehicle for dispatch, the system generates directions and a map link. This information can be shared with the driver for navigation purposes. History playback and trip analysis. The history playback feature allows users to visualize and analyze past vehicle trips. Users can generate trip histories based on specific date ranges or utilize predefined filters, for example, today, yesterday. Trip plotting and visualization. The system offers flexible trip plotting options. Users can select individual trips for detailed analysis or plot all trips simultaneously for a comprehensive overview. Each trip is represented by a distinct color code for easy identification. Trip data and analysis. Information balloons along the plotted route provide insights into vehicle speed, time, and status. Green balloons indicate vehicle movement. Blue balloons signify idling, and red balloons represent ignition off. This detailed information aids in understanding trip dynamics and identifying potential areas for improvement. Incomplete trip analysis. For incomplete trips, for example, if the vehicle is currently in motion, users should use the Plot All function to visualize the entire recorded history. This ensures that all available data is captured and analyzed. Multi-vehicle tracking and picture-in-picture. For users tracking multiple vehicles across different locations, the system offers a convenient picture-in-picture feature. By selecting multiple vehicles, users can open each vehicle's tracking information in a separate window. This allows for simultaneous monitoring of vehicles in various regions. The picture-in-picture functionality supports up to 4 vehicles at a time, providing a flexible and efficient way to manage and track multiple assets simultaneously. Sensor data and live monitoring. The sensor page offers a comprehensive view of all installed sensors and the parameters they are monitoring. This includes digital inputs, outputs, analog inputs, combust parameters, movement data, temperature, humidity, and more. Users can access real-time sensor data and historical records through the live view and graph functionality. This information can be exported as a CSV file for offline reference or analysis. Notification Center and filtering. The Notification Center acts as an inbox for all alerts and messages generated by the fleet. Users can filter notifications based on vehicle, date range, event type, and driver. Report generation. The report generation module allows users to generate reports based on specific assets, groups, sites, or categories. Users can filter their fleet by various criteria and then generate reports for the selected subset. Report generation and customization. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of reports, including asset, driver, and financial reports. Users can generate reports for specific assets, drivers, or groups, allowing for tailored analysis. Large report generation and notification. For large-scale reports involving thousands of vehicles, the system employs a background processing mechanism to prevent overwhelming the user interface. Users will receive a notification when the report is ready for download. Notification configuration and delivery. Users can customize notification settings in their profile. This includes enabling or disabling various notification channels, for example, mobile app, email, SMS. Notification modes and customization. Available notification modes include background notifications can be saved for later access and potentially sent to mobile devices. Live notifications allow pop-ups which appear on the dashboard. Email notifications are sent to the user's email address. SMS notifications are sent to the user's mobile phone number. Requires third-party integration. Users can configure notification preferences based on event types, vehicles, and other criteria. Exploring reports and understanding their uses. The platform offers various reports, each tailored to specific needs. Driver reports focus on individual driver performance, useful if a driver operates multiple vehicles. Financial reports provide insights into fuel consumption and expenses, aiding in fleet budgeting and cost control. Users should explore all available reports to understand their parameters and benefits. For large clients managing 2,000 to 2,500 vehicles, generating multi-month reports may take time. The system will notify users when such reports are ready, allowing them to continue with other tasks in the meantime. Stay tuned. We are continuously working on new features and enhancements to further improve the platform's functionality. Stay tuned for future updates and additional resources.